Gonna do a little diving today. Got all our equipment. Woo woo! We're going to Sharky's Reef and to the whirlpool. It'll be fun. Yay! We are in Carriacou and we're gonna dive the whirlpool. So you're gonna see some hot little bubbles. I'm so excited! What do you want to see most today?
Shark, I think. I don't know if I dare that, but I love to see a shark.
Oh, good.
Cross my fingers.
All right.
Yeah, I'm trying to do it.
Where are we going today, Gary?
We're going to whirlpool.
Yeah!
It's a great little outside. On the western side of Mabouya. Mabouya actually means dragon in Arawak language, and if you sit on Paradise Beach and look at it, it looks like a sleeping dragon. So the site we're going to, called Whirlpool, has volcanic bubbles, beautiful coral garden, a lovely little wreck. Quite often we'll see submerged sharks, stingrays, and this is pretty sight. And then we're going to head off to Sharky's Hideaway Farm. We're going to have a great time.
Yeah! Are you all pumped? Are you pumped? You ready? 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 Woo! How was the dive?
Great.
What did you see?
That was a great dive. Everything.